Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another signal analysis video here from Forex for Beginners. It's yours truly, Pablo Pips of Forex. So in our previous video, we were analyzing our signal set out for US 30, where we hit up to TP2, securing some profits, not complaining. Alright, so in today's video, we want to go ahead and take a look at Euro GBP, and just to see how our signal performed for that. Now, right here over in Telegram, I have the chart pulled up. We're analyzing trades from that were sent out on Monday, and that was the 16th. So I went ahead and had that period highlighted here with this purple rectangle. All right, so our signal was generated right at this engulfing candle where you see this candle closed above this inverted hammer right here. So the signal was generated, and as we can see, it was a buy at 0.88743, as highlighted by this yellow line here, 0.88743. All right, so at this point would have been our entry, and we were able to smash up to TP1, as where you see right here by the second yellow line above at 0.88799, just there above. We were able to smash TP1 and a little bit push up here, but it was a fake out, as we see that the market started to create lower lows going down and reversed at this point. All right, but ultimately this bad boy wants to go back down to go back up. All right, but that's just how it is. So we were able to secure some profits there at TP1. Of course, following the risk management rules in our Telegram that we provide, you would be securing profits for sure. Alright, so if you want to learn more about this risk management guide that we use over in our Telegram channel, guys, go ahead and check out the links in the description below. We're trying to keep these video series short, just going through the signal send out one by one. As well as you want to take opportunity of this right now as soon as possible, guys, because this is not a normal Telegram signals group. Our Telegram signals group generate over 20 signals daily at times, so there's so many opportunities there for you to take advantage of. So it's kind of like a hyper Forex signals group in a sense, and I spent some time tweaking and develop this for you guys. So I really want you to take advantage of this 1 month period that we have, offering it for free. After that, starting the February the first day, it will be only $20, no biggie. But for some, you know, they would rather to take opportunity now. Alright, so the links for that would be in the description below. If you're not already a subscriber, like I said, guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, because we're dropping gems, like unique stuff in trading that changes the game. Alright, we're thinking differently over at Forex for the beginners. We're thinking differently. We have a different perspective on the market. Alright, and we're winning. Okay, and also a lot more stuff coming out, guys. We have funding challenges, passes coming up, all of those stuff, or automated system that successfully doubled or derived 10k account to 20k. Like, there's so many, and that's my FX book verified, guys. So like I said, real awesome stuff. Go check out the links in the description. But until next time, guys, I'll see you in the next video. I want to make sure I just update you guys, let you guys know what's up for our next video. So we were looking at Euro GBP. That was Monday. What's this one? GBP USD. All right, so our next video is going to be on GBP USD, guys. So like I said, hit the subscribe button and notification bell, because we'll be going through our trades step by step, just letting you guys see how well they perform over here on YouTube. Okay, so until next time, stay safe. See you in the next video.